Alright guys, I don't feel good today, but we're out here recording because I actually have some spare time to work on the car. As you can tell, there is an engine in the Miata. I went through the whole rebuilding process, and doing that, trying to juggle the busy season on the farm, trying to juggle learning how to record and produce videos on top of also learning how to rebuild an engine, just was a little bit too much to tackle. So we are here, engine's in the car, it has been rebuilt, forged connecting rods. You know, there wasn't too much work done to the head, but that's not something that is going to be too hard to do down in the future. So as of right now, as the car sits, it is a fully rebuilt engine with forged connecting rods, ready for a turbo. I am drilling out a hole, which I should have done in hindsight, for my oil return, but I'm doing it now, it's no big deal. Then I'm gonna work on clearing up some space. I have a lot of space in the engine bay, but I want to clear out some of the lines for the charcoal canister, and you know, just make sure everything's flowing good so it's easy to work on. I think we will be continuing the episodes per usual now, so stay tuned.
I want to thank you guys so much for watching. It has been a long time coming. I do have a sneak peek for you guys here in this clip, and for as far as the next video goes, it's going to be quite the episode, as the car is now technically running and driving. So please stay tuned, and if you liked the video, please give it a like. If you did not, give it a dislike. I hope to see you guys in the next video.